So now let's see how we can insert internal links inside of our Google Docs right here. So over here you can see that I got a bit of headings right here. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Enter and push it onto the next piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a link right here. So I'm just going to say heading 1 link just like this. And what I can do is I can select this, I can click on this icon, or I can right click on it and then click on link right here. The same option pops up. You can change out the text right here. I'm just going to change that out into heading 1 dash link right here. So I'm just going to go to heading 1 dash link. And over here in the link section, you can select headings as you can see. And then you can select the heading that you want to link it to. So in my case, I'm just going to link it to heading 1 over here and press apply. And you can see that it changes into blue text right here, which means that it is a link text. Of course, you can go around change the settings out just like that. Over here, if you don't want the blue ink or something, so you can change that out as well. But anyways, right here, we're going to leave it as it is. So you have an option to edit the link by clicking on edit the link right here, or you can remove the link by clicking on this button right here. But I'm just going to undo that out right here. So the link for the heading has been added out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in another link, but in this case, I'm going to add a link to a bookmark. So I'm just going to go around onto, let's say, for example, this particular paragraph, and I'm going to turn it into a bookmark. So I can go over here onto insert, and then I can go to bookmark right here, and you can see that bookmark is here. So you can link this out, link the bookmark out right here, or you can remove the bookmark out right here. So I'm just going to link it out with another text right here. So I'm just going to say that this is going to be bookmark. So I'm just going to go around right here and then type in another word. So let me just say bookmark, just like this, bookmark link over here. Let me just go back, press backspace right here so that I can actually go like that. I'm going to press Ctrl Enter right here. And what I'm going to do is link it to the bookmark. So right click, click on link, and then I'm going to go to bookmark right here, which is what I have now. So I'm just going to click on bookmark, press apply, and there you go. There's the bookmark, just like this. So let me just press delete right here to arrange everything out. So I created 2 internal links right here, or internal hyperlinks that I can use to navigate around. So let me just export this out into PDF. So the link can be used right here. So I'm just going to export this out to PDF to show you how the link actually works out. So I just exported it out. And now it has been downloaded, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to click on it. And over here, you can see that they are clickable. If I were to click this, it goes to heading 1. And if I were to go to bookmark link, it goes to that exact part of the paragraph where we added in a bookmark. And that is how you can make your document even more dynamic by using the bookmark and internal links. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.